Alright, so here is a Data East MPU. This is for Data East Batman. I've got Simpsons ROMs installed here on the board. So this board came in. We're having issues with the lamps, is what I was told. But I also noticed that we were having issues here with the solenoids as well. Reason being, and I'll actually roll in some pictures here of what the issue was. But we had here in the lamp section, I was thinking that it was the transistor. So the signals coming out of the PIA were good. The signals that were coming out of the 7408 were not good though. And I figured that was either, the transistor that was pulling it down, or the pre-driver, or the transistor here. What that actually ended up being was the, goodness, what am I, down here, what it ended up being was D15. Crazy. So this diode had actually opened and was causing lamp row 5 not to come on at all. Over here in the solenoid section, in the flasher section, you can see here, kinda, but like I said, I'll roll in pictures, but this basically was reworked at some point. Somebody had removed both of these 7408s, and upon doing so, they actually broke a trace and then tied it to pin 3 here, which was leading to pin 12. So I went ahead and fixed that. We did have a bad TIP 122 here, which I replaced with the TIP 102 at Q27. Replaced the sockets for the 6808, the NV RAM, and also the game ROM as well, which I did the C5 modification. Replaced both the 470 UF and the 47 UF capacitor. Had a tiny bit of alkaline there that was left over from the battery pack, and also swapped out the power input header here on the board. So, and by the way, these this board came in just earlier today. I like pointing that out there. For anybody looking for board service, I'm not backed up at all. But anyways, we've got the lamp matrix dancing, no coils locked on, and get the score displays working. And so we'll go through the test here. So tech alert all okay. We don't have a soundboard connected, so we're going to go ahead and skip sounds, but we will test the displays that are 100% working. And with the Simpsons rounds, that actually test all of the outputs from the displays, even ones that the DMDs do not use. So everything is working here 100% with the displays. And also, as you saw, all the switches were working. Move into all lamps and into the rows and columns, and then into the single lamps. And as you can see, all of row 5 is now working correctly, as well as all the other lamps that are here. And moving into flashers, those are all working correctly, and then into the solenoids as well. So that's testing both the A side and B side there of each of the first 8 solenoids. And then into the special solenoids here. And all 6 of those are working correctly. And we can also test those by switch for us as well. And that is the end of the test here. So I'll go ahead and get the Batman ROM installed. Obviously I don't have a display that'll work for it, but I can show you that it is in or that it has booted. Sorry, I'm trying to think, because you'll see the lamp matrix dance in here. So I'll go ahead and get that now. So we've got the Batman ROM installed here. And again, you're not going to see anything really on the displays, but as you can see, we do have the lamp matrix dancing there as it's supposed to. And again, no locked on coils. But thank you so much.